How to hide following lists on Instagram. Want to hide your following list on Instagram? Here's the safe and realistic way to limit who sees it. So first go ahead and open up Instagram on your device, and then once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile, which should basically find it at the bottom right, and then select this burger icon at the top right, and that will take you here. So from here, go ahead and select account privacy, and then make sure to enable private account to be able to allow only users to view the list of your followings. So if you want to remove specific followers, you can do that by heading back to your account, clicking on followers, and then scroll down, and then you'd basically find this X button at the right of each follower. So to be able to remove them as a follower, you need to click on it and then confirm removing them. And that is how to hide following lists on Instagram.